everyone! Today, we're making a simple microwave version of Warabimochi, a traditional Japanese dessert known for its soft, jelly-like texture. The full recipe is in the description below. So let's dive in. First, mix the kinako, sugar, and salt in a bowl. If you're wondering, kinako is roasted soybean flour, which gives Warabimochi its signature nutty flavor. And don't worry, you can easily find all the ingredients at a Japanese grocery store. Next, in a heat-proof mixing bowl, combine rice flour and sugar. This mixture will form the base of our Warabimochi, and we'll be cooking it in the microwave shortly. Then, add water to the bowl and mix well until the mixture is smooth. After that, cover about 4/5 of the bowl with cling wrap, leaving a small opening for steam to escape. Now, place the bowl in the microwave and cook for 4 minutes at 600 watts. After taking it out of the microwave, be careful, it's hot. Give the mixture a good stir until it's smooth and silky. Once it's smooth, scrape down the edges of the bowl to clean it up. Then, cover about 4/5 of the bowl with cling wrap again, just like before. Pop it back in the microwave for another 4 minutes at 600 watts. After taking it out, give the mixture another good stir until it's smooth. The texture will be softer than before, so take your time. It might need a bit of effort, but this step will make it beautifully smooth. Now, line a tray with cling wrap. This will make things a lot easier later. Next, scoop the mixture onto the tray and spread it out nice and even. Then, cover the top with cling wrap and let it chill in the fridge overnight. The next day, dust the tray with the toppings we prepared earlier. Next, peel back one side of the cling wrap and gently flip the rice cake onto the toppings. Then, carefully remove the top layer of cling wrap. Now dust the toppings generously over the rice cake to coat it nicely. Then, cut the rice cake into bite-sized pieces. Little cubes are perfect. Finally, dust more toppings over the rice cake until it's fully covered. And just like that, it's ready to serve. If you're a fan of Japanese desserts, you already know how delicious this is. If it's your first time trying Warabimochi, this easy method will show you just how tasty it can be, especially for kids. You can even drizzle it with black honey for extra flavor. If you don't have black honey, no worries. It's still amazing on its own. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you and your family love this dessert. Thanks for watching, enjoy, and I'll see you next week.